Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to turn on option to change system settings permissions in our Samsung S22. So, where to find this setting? Settings, and then we are looking for our applications menu. Here it is. Next, top right, three dots menu, and special access. And here we have change system settings. As you can see, we have quite a few applications that can change our system settings. We can turn on or off any that we want here. And that's basically it. No need to save after we make changes, just back out, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.